In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide sections from mobile in Elementor. If you've ever crafted a stunning web page using Elementor and found that it doesn't quite display as you'd like on mobile devices, you're not alone. Websites can render differently on mobile screens compared to desktops, and sometimes, certain sections just don't fit or aren't necessary for the mobile view. Luckily, Elementor provides us with a simple solution to address this issue, and today, we'll walk through the steps to make your mobile design as effective as possible. Let's kick things off by opening up your Elementor page editor. This is where all the magic happens. In the left-hand panel, you'll notice a list of all the pages. Click on the page that you wish to edit. Once you're in the Elementor editing interface, hover over the section that you'd like to hide on mobile. You'll see a blue border appear around it, along with a set of icons in the top right corner of the section. Click on the Edit section icon, which looks like a stack of horizontal lines. Now, you're in the Section Settings panel on the left side of the screen. Look for the Advanced tab. It might take up until 2 seconds to find it, depending on your familiarity with the interface. Click on it, and a list of options will appear. Scroll down until you find the Responsive section. This part is particularly important for ensuring your site is mobile-friendly. Here, you'll see 3 toggle switches labeled Hide on Desktop, Hide on Tablet, and Hide on Mobile. For our purpose of hiding the section on mobile devices, simply flip the Hide on Mobile switch to the On position. This will effectively hide the section when viewed on mobile phones, preserving your page's layout and content engagement. Once you've made this change, be sure to take a moment to preview your edits. Click on the Responsive Mode icon at the bottom of the panel. This allows you to simulate your site's appearance on different devices, including mobile. Ensure that the section you'd intended to hide is indeed invisible when selecting the mobile view. This step gives you confidence that your adjustments have been implemented correctly. If everything looks good, remember to click the Update button at the bottom of the page to save your changes. Failing to do this will result in losing all your hard work. As a best practice, consider replicating this process for any other sections that might not fit your mobile layout or aren't as relevant for mobile users. Keep in mind that achieving a clean and functional design across all devices is critical for providing a seamless user experience. And there you have it. You've successfully streamlined your page for mobile devices by hiding unnecessary sections in Elementor. This technique not only improves the visual appeal of your site but also enhances the user experience for those accessing your content on their mobile phones. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.